What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which hasn't moved much value wise over the last few days, as you guys can see, hitting green and red candles, but overall it has maintained its value. So again, the crypto market is on the red side today, as you guys can see here, with Bitcoin dropping down over 4%. This has had a negative impact on the crypto market. And AMP as well, it has hit a red candle today. It is down just about 6%. So we're going to be going through what is next for AMP. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to be holding on to it? And essentially looking at its prediction as usual over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from the crypto? And is it a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that the value of AMP is still trading below the SMA indicator here in purple. It did try and hit that a few days ago, however it had resisted and dropped back down, so we are still not performing too well and slightly lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. It is looking quite steep, and the blue line is looking flat out, going in a straight line. Is not looking bullish or bearish. So an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be trading at slightly higher value. Just below 0.008 cents in value is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at. Reason being is I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. I'm expecting it to hit more red candles before it slowly starts to hit green candles later on this afternoon, evening time, making it trade at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is a little, well, realistic, much more realistic than the previous chart. So essentially over the next week or so, the crypto should be going through once again an overall increase in value, potentially heading up to around 0.009 cents. So just below the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by mid to end of next week. So expect it to be quite volatile with green and red candles, especially how the crypto market has been performing. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at the moment I'm expecting it to be more on the positive side. However, AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect, what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and mainly of course to stay in the loop on my predictions on AMP. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, well, we are looking, it looks like it is going in a straight line. However, the lines are slanting towards the positive direction, just about looking bullish. So this is very realistic. Why did I struggle there? So essentially by mid to late June 2024, I'm expecting AMP to be heading closer to the 2 cents target. It may seem like a huge increase from where it is at the moment. Well, it is. However, giving it 2 months, it is quite reasonable, especially that I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by mid-year. This should have a positive impact on the crypto market. So yes, at the moment I'm expecting AMP to be getting, I'm not saying it's going to hit 2 cents, but getting very close to that target is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that, I will keep you guys updated as much as I can. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone, and I'm expecting it to drop down to the resistance level here before it resists and pumps back up into the green zone, dark green zone by mid to late May, and potentially into the top tier level here in June and late July, potentially into the top tier level here, getting closer to this 2 cents target. But then again, I will keep you guys updated to make sure you guys are in the loop. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 45% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $25 million in trading. Quite strange. Reason is the market is down, majority of the trading volume is down except AMP. It has gone up 45%. Reason being is it has taken a dip, so we can see people are buying the dip right now, but it is also slowly starting to head back up in value. So we are also seeing a lot more people trading the crypto as well. So it is getting attention from both sides of the spectrum. Moving on to the daily chart, the weekly chart here. The crypto is up just about 4%. We can see it has been quite volatile, pumping and then dropping, but again it is 4% up, but I would more or less say that it has been quite neutral. And over the month it is down a massive 30%, guys. So no matter how much it is up right now, it is still down over the month, so it's still on its way to recovery. It's got a long way to go, but I'm expecting it to potentially go for a major recovery in May and June, so over the next 2 months. So this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.